You ever hear that weird gurgle from the sink? Or maybe catch a whiff of something. Oh, something off coming from a drain.
Oh, yeah. That sinking feeling, pardon the pun.
Exactly. That's your cue, right? Because today, we're going underground, talking about something vital but usually invisible.
Yeah.
Sewer pipes. Specifically, we're doing a deep dive into sewer repair right here in New Westminster. We want to figure out why keeping these pipes in good shape is so incredibly important.
It's not just about your house either. It's bigger than that.
Definitely. It's about your health, your community. We'll look at the benefits and some pretty smart ways local pros, like the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical, are tackling these problems.
So let's break it down. Sewer repair, basically, it's fixing the pipes that carry all the dirty water away from your house. Pretty straightforward concept.
Right. But what are the signs? Like, how do you know there's trouble brewing down there?
Well, you mentioned some classic ones. Water draining really slowly is the big one. Those yucky smells we talk about. And sometimes, the worst case, water actually backing up. Coming back up the drain or even, the toilet.
Nightmare scenario.
Exactly. And it's usually caused by things like blockages, stuff that shouldn't be down there, or tree roots getting in, or even the pipe itself just getting old and cracking or collapsing.
And just ignoring those signs.
Yeah.
That's a bad idea, I'm guessing. Like hoping a leaky faucet fixes itself.
Precisely. It really only gets worse. It might seem like a small thing, a slow drain, but it can snowball.
Okay, but play devil's advocate for a second.
Right.
Fixing sewers sounds messy and maybe expensive. Wouldn't some people just, try a temporary fix? What's the real danger in waiting?
That's a really important point, because putting it off isn't just inconvenient, it's risky. Timely repairs are absolutely crucial for keeping the whole system working.
How risky, though?
Think about it. If you neglect it, you're looking at potential sewage backups inside your house, major property damage. And then there's the health side exposure to some pretty nasty bacteria and pathogens.
Ew.
And get this, we found sources suggesting unresolved sewer problems can actually knock down your property value in New Westminster, sometimes by like 15%. Often found right when you're trying to sell.
Wow, okay, so fixing it isn't just avoiding disaster, it's actually protecting your investment.
It's exactly that, a strategic investment.
So, knowing the risks, what can homeowners in New Westminster do? Any simple tips to sort of prevent trouble in the first place?
Yeah, definitely. The sources we looked at were clear on this. It really boils down to being mindful. Watch what goes down the drain.
Like what specifically?
Big no-nos are things like wipes, even the ones that say flushable, spoiler, they usually aren't sanitary products, that kind of stuff. And grease. Kitchen grease is a huge culprit for blockages.
Right, the grease solidifies.
Exactly. And maybe get your pipes checked once a year or so. Just a preventative look.
Makes sense. Okay, let's shift gears to the positives, the big wins. Because good sewer repair helps everyone, right? For your home, your wallet, huge upside.
Yeah.
Like you said, it boosts property value. Nobody wants to buy a house with hidden pipe problems, right?
Correct. Avoids those massive, unexpected emergency repair bills, too. We're talking potentially tens of thousands saved.
And the health angle you mentioned earlier, that's huge for the community.
It really is. Fixing broken pipes stops sewage from leaking out. That means stopping harmful bacteria, pathogens from spreading. It makes your home safer, your neighborhood safer. It's a public health benefit, plain and simple.
Like an invisible shield almost.
That's a good way to put it.
And thinking bigger picture environmentally, especially here in New Westminster with our rivers and lakes.
Yes. A well-maintained sewer system is critical for protecting those local waterways. Less pollution leaching into the environment.
So cleaner rivers, healthier fish, and wildlife. It all connects back.
It's all part of the same ecosystem. Healthy pipes mean a healthier local environment.
Okay, this brings us to something really interesting. The local angle and the tech. Why does using a local expert in New Westminster make such a difference?
Oh, local knowledge is key. Think about it, someone working right here understands the specific challenges, the type of soil we have, how old the pipes generally are in certain areas, the specific city regulations.
Right, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation.
Not at all. That local insight means they can diagnose problems more accurately and find the most effective solution for this area. And the solutions themselves, they've gotten really smart.
Yeah. Tell me about that, the tech side.
We're seeing a lot more trenchless technology, which sounds fancy, but it basically means fixing pipes without having to dig massive trenches across your lawn.
Okay, that sounds amazing. Less disruption.
Way less disruption. There are methods like pipe bursting. They pull a new pipe through the old one, breaking the old pipe apart as it goes.
Bro.
Or another cool one is CIPP, cured in place pipe lining. They insert this flexible tube coated in resin into the old pipe. Then they cure it, harden the resin, and boom, you got a brand new strong pipe inside the old one.
That's genuinely clever.
Yeah.
Less mess, faster, probably saves money in the long run too.
Often, yes. Less restoration work needed afterwards definitely saves time. It's a real game changer.
So if you need this kind of work done and you want these clever solutions, what should you look for in a company?
Good question. Based on our sources, you want someone who's definitely licensed and insured. That's non-negotiable.
Standard stuff, okay.
Yeah, but crucial. Look for good customer reviews. What are other people saying? And really important, clear upfront pricing. No surprises.
Transparency.
Yeah.
Makes sense. You want pros who know this tech and use it right.
Exactly. Proven experience with these modern methods.
All right, so let's wrap this up. The bottom line from our deep dive seems to be paying attention to your sewer system is smart, really smart. It protects your home's value, keeps your family healthy, and even helps our new Westminster environment. And knowing there are local experts with these pretty cool high-tech solutions makes it feel more manageable.
Definitely. Which maybe leads to a final thought for you to chew on.
Lay it on me.
We've talked a lot about these hidden pipes. What other unseen systems in our homes or maybe even our communities could benefit from a bit more proactive attention? What else is humming along unseen that keeps things healthy?
That's a great question. Food for thought. And remember, a lot of the insights today, especially on those advanced local solutions, came from sources like Pacific Blue Mechanical. They offer sewer repair services right here in New Westminster. Thanks for joining our deep dive.